I'm going to do a walk around on this 1955 Cadillac Series 62 convertible. Nice restoration, decent driver, and it's here for me to evaluate and report. I do pre-purchase inspections, appraisals, and valuations, of course. And this is the one for today. So we're gonna have a look under the hood and give a general inspection. You can see it's restored and done reasonably well. Very nice job of trying to keep hardware the way it's supposed to be. Decals, markings, etc. all pretty well done. It has the hood pad that would be an original item. The gold trims, all very nice. Hood closes pretty well, and hood gaps are fair. Looking at paint condition, it's glossy and even, but if I look really close, I can see little issues here and there across the top of the hood. Very hard to see it with all the reflection, but it's in there. We'll go and look at the top. You can see the top is in good shape, but it's sagging a little bit here in the front. The original tops would have had a heavy pad across there that helped give it some support. Some of the glass is original. You can see the Easy Eye bug there. You can see a little bit of the glass separation starting. It's 70-year-old glass, so you're going to see some of that. Down the side of a black car, very straight. Pot metal chrome here is in good condition. On these Cadillacs 54, 5, and 6, you have to check those vent window pillars to see that they're not broken. Very nice bumper ends. Trim here is very nice. Nice lenses. Gold V. And down the other side, bumper fit looks good. Stainless trim looks good. Convertible top, it does have the correct width fabric at the bottom. It's incorrect to have this vinyl all the way down. So we'll look down through the side here. Again, looking at pieces including the die cast here to see that it's not pitted. And we have another Easy Eye bug in this glass here. But this is a replacement door glass here and original vent window glass here. It has an original windshield in it as well. That's a nice sign. And so let's take a quick look inside the car. Trim looks good. Upholstery fair, and of course we should be looking at leather. Convertible top frame and hardware all looks good. Seat bumpers, everything in place and good. The grab handle straps on the back look good. I've checked all the windows, they all work. All of the window whiskers and felts look to be replaced. Rubber is good on the convertible top. Of course, it's replacement rubber. Door closed fine and fits pretty well. Here's a little adjustment that could be done. Hood doesn't quite go down in place, but there could be a hood bumper that needs to be adjusted or something in there, but the hood adjustment's just a little bit off. And I'll do one last thing here. Oh, looks like when I close the door, we have a handle that popped off. So we'll take care of that. See what's going on with that. When you shut them off and put it in reverse, reverse becomes park. So if I'm going to start it, goes back to neutral, starts and runs fine. Gauge is working, and we're good. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.